We're at the property 13907 Catherine. First time back since getting flooded out on Friday/Saturday. You can see the water line on the house. We couldn't get through the front door. Of course, I guess it was due to the swelling, the door. Look at this. It's stuff in here on our property that I hadn't even ever seen, and some things that we had that are gone. Refrigerator, freezers tipped over, umbrellas in there, pieces of wood and stuff. So we're going in. I mean, it's disgusting. We open the door to let air out. This is what we have. Oh God. Yeah, we stepped in here earlier. Oh God. Oh, it stinks. This is all mud. It's ridiculous. The front room. Our furniture is not where it's supposed to be. I don't even see the refrigerator. I think it was it outside. Just disgusting. Just stuff everywhere. This is our floor. I need a light. Our floor is not a floor anymore. Yeah, I can't even get in here.
All that stuff.
Put a light on it. Oh my God. Wow. Total loss. I don't even know how we can.
Stop.
Don't touch it.
I got to.
No, not with your hand. Use your foot. It's not heavy. Ugh. Oh, gross. It's disgusting. I'm worried about snakes and gators and spiders. Oh, we're in Louisiana, y'all. I have my mouth covered, so I don't know if y'all can hear me. What is all of this? I mean, this water ran through here. Oh my God.
Oh.
What?
The damn water carried the damn blower from in here all the way out of there.
Oh. I mean. Wow.
Floor left up on this side too.
Wow, look at the tables moved. The table was over here.
All this got moved.
In that corner. Oh, the photos.
The lawnmower, all this gone.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where?
Come on. Let's finish this.
Oh no. My pictures. Pictures of my mama,
It took
my sister.
it took his playpen out of his room.
Oh my God.
Come on with your life.
Ugh.
It took the playpen out of his room.
Oh my God.
You know how heavy this is? This is fucking heavy, and it was in his room.
Okay, stop cussing, boo. Oh.
Yeah, I believe I want to raise. I could.
Oh, I need the light because I'm not getting anything. You need to put the light on. Well, the light is here. This is terrible. I just don't know what to say. Thank God for flood insurance. People, if you don't have it, you better get it. This is terrible. Where's our stuff? All our stuff. I mean, the stuff is literally not where we left it. Where the... I mean, other than stuff that's just... Wow. Look.
Got all the way up to the first level of that shelf. There's all that.
Other than that.
Yeah, books and shit perfect.
Oh, it ain't no problem. They're gone.
Look. Oh, look at this.
Books, records. Look at, this is the floor. Wow. Well, we can see what it is. I mean, things are just moved. This is crazy. It looks like... Yeah, we need to go to the back.
Watch out. Move. don't need you saying no about that.
Just slide it that way and we can slide through maybe. Oh my God. Everything is just gone. Be careful, don't break it.
Shit, this is a lot, man.
I know. I don't know. You know, this habit. Oh, gross. Oh, that's good. That's good. We can get through here. The floor is, I'm afraid, what's underneath the floor. Trying to get out.
Well, you gonna smash it because it's underneath it.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, the bed's all off the frames. Oh, my God. All Zay's toys and... Just nothing. There's nothing.
Halfway through the whole house.
Wow. Clothes.
Hey, this Monopoly says so.
Wow. Nothing. Well, there's good night, moon. Good night, moon is good gone. Oh, wow, look at our bed. Our bedrooms. We haven't even gotten the kids' room. Oh, yeah, our bedroom, everything, that's gone. A total. It's just gone. Oh, my God. In the bathroom. Bathroom's gone. Ow! Hit my head on it. Where? Oh, my gosh. Prentice's dresser. Videos. Well, DVDs, whatever it is. Everything. Tapes. Bed gone. Everything in the closet. Whoa. Oh yeah, we're gone. His clothes. Oh, they're on the floor. Khaleesi's room. Wow. It's gone. Her clothes were still in there hanging up. Some are hanging. Some are not. Hey. This needs to, you can save this. I don't know what they want. They're going to have to come through and, they want a carpet. They want a piece of carpet. 2 by 2. 2 foot by 2 foot carpet. Mama's money jar made it. Well, my husband's upset. He's going to cuss. So when I post this, excuse us, but we just lost everything. Oh my God. Wow. Our bathroom. Oh, this was white, y'all. That's mud. It came all the way. I mean, this was all the way underwater. All of this is wet up here. Everything is just...
Took your balls, like.
Oh, yes indeed. Look, it took the door off the hinges, y'all. The closet.
I would run past.
My closet, my walk-in closet took the door off the hinges. Look at this. Everything down here is gone. Lord, not my good wigs. Woo! I'm at it. I'm done. Oh, my goodness. Everything is... This is gross. We need to get out of here. Well, y'all, it was a total loss, fam, but thank God we made it out with our lives.
Setback for a major comeback.
Oh, we're gonna come back. Wait a minute, we got to. This is just... Oh, God. Oh! Oh! Wait, I need this. Only thing I'm walking out of here with is my mama's, you know, everybody's mama either kept pennies and stuff in a Crown Royal bag or a 5-gallon jar. Yeah. Where's my photo album, man? Ugh. I need a piece of carpet. We gotta get a 2 by 2. I mean, it is what it is.
They gotta walk through this. They don't get no people. They gotta walk through this shit.
Oh my God. My pictures. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay.
I didn't say you couldn't can't come back here. You gonna come back with a mask on.
Ugh.
We breathing in too much shit right now.
Alright. Ugh. Yeah.
Come on.
Mm.
I had that shit by the way. Loaded that shit way the fuck over there.
Oh, Zay, all your favorite books.
Come on, baby.
Furniture, gone. How'd the refrigerator get out? Well. That was disgusting. And poor mama's truck. You can see the water line. It went up to there on this truck. That truck is gone. R.I.P. Explorer. The yard. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, if you can zoom in on these, I don't know. There's stuff in here I ain't never seen before, and stuff we had, I don't know where it is, it's gone. My baby's little Tykes toys and
That's way in the back.
stuff way in the back.
I'm at my house now. Water was halfway through my house.
Gone.
I said I'm at my house now. Water was
Well,
halfway through our house.
Oh my God. Our neighborhood is just... ain't nothing
You said you
salvageable.
at the house now?
We can go. Yeah, come on.
My clothes lift up everything.
Furniture gone, all
All I got separated throughout the whole house.
furniture all over the place. Refrigerator tipped over, freezer
Had a crib full of clothes in Zay room. That ended up all the way in the
in the front moved. It, oh my God. Doors torn off the hinges. Mud everywhere. This air.
But gasoline I had in the shed, that flipped over, so I can't go in the shed because it's got gasoline in there. The one that flipped over in the house had a seal on it, so that's good.
All the tools, ridiculous. And yet my rose bush still lives. That thing ever
I'm
bloomed.
about to come over there.
We're going over to our in-laws now. Check on the mom and pops. And that's a wrap, y'all. Huh. What is it? 2K16 flooding in Louisiana. Catherine Avenue, 13907. Demolished.